Hello kids, today I'm super happy that you are here as always, and today we're going to keep working super hard so we can finish unit 2. Remember, it's called My Games, and we've been talking about using questions and answering to those questions, making sentences with using like to or likes to express what do people like and what do I like. Also, we've been learning to show objects, to mention prepositions of place, and also the vocabulary, some different games. First of all, we are going to start by the review. This is a review about the activities that we did yesterday, and these activities are about like to or likes to. So, if you remember, we use like to, and likes to is only used when we are talking about he, she, it. Also, when we have the name of a boy, when we have the name of a girl, when we have an object, for example, a cat, an animal, a house, different objects like those, we are going to use likes to. In this case, the things can like things, but for example, a sentence would be my cat likes to sleep, okay? And I would say about me, I like to sleep. Why? Because with the personal pronoun I, we don't use likes to, okay? Remember that it's super important that likes to is only used with he, she, and it, okay? So the only difference is the S, but it's super important. So that's the reason why I have in here some examples of how to do these sentences. Remember that we always start by the personal pronoun I, you, he, she, it, we, and they. Okay, we have those 6 personal pronouns, and it depends on it when we are going to be using like to or likes to. You can copy this on your notebook because it's going to help you a lot when it comes to do activities for the notebook or for the student's book. You can check your notebook. If you copy this, you can check it. Oh, okay, I have he. He always uses likes to, okay? It's super important that you have this on mind because it's going to be on the exam, maybe. And here we have the first sentence says, I like to play volleyball, okay? We have in pink, the personal pronoun is I, like to is involved, and then we have the vocabulary. I like to play volleyball. Second one, you like to play on the seesaws, okay? We have it with no S. You like to play on the seesaws, okay? Number 3, he likes to skate. Okay, this is different. Remember, when we have he that is in pink, he likes to skate. Okay, super important. Also, we have she likes to dance. You can notice the difference. It has the S. So, it likes to walk. Okay, it likes to walk. So, we have them. We like to kick a soccer ball, okay? Patear. Soccer ball. With no S. And the last one says, they like to ride their bikes, okay? With no S. So you can know this here. Most of them use like to with no S, sin la S. But, as I say, it's he likes to, she likes to, and it likes to, and that's it, okay? Pay attention to this. Remember, he likes to, she likes to, and it likes to. And the rest of them is going to be with no S, like to. I like to, you like to, we like to, and they like to. Copy this. Then we have the vocabulary that is about prepositions of place. This is super important to know when we want to show some objects, like for example, you are in your bedroom and you need to find something, and your mom tells you that your toy is behind the bed, okay, and you don't know what is behind. So behind, as you can see here, we have some pictures to illustrate, and we have a pretty mouse, and this mouse is hiding between books. But first of all, the first picture is showing us the mouse, okay? The mouse is behind the couch, okay, or the sofa. The mouse is behind the sofa. Second, the mouse is in front of the TV, okay? For example, I'm here and the TV is in front of me, okay? We have between and we have some books. The mouse is between two books, en medio, okay? We have one book, the other book, and the mouse is between, en medio. And the last one is next to. It can be to the right, it can be to the left, but it's next to. The mouse is next to the TV, okay? Pay attention to this. It's super important. We are going to keep practicing this vocabulary so you can remember this. Now we can go to the activities. Also today we have 3 pages, and I promise they are going to be super easy. So, and we have the last page of the book that we are going to do, and it's Students Book, page 26. We have exercise 24, look and write. Okay, we have number 1, 2, 3, 4. We have 4 pictures and also 4 sentences, and we are going to complete by using like to and what verb. Number 1, he blank to play on the slide. Now you're going to write like to or likes to. If we have that the personal pronoun is he, we're going to use like to or likes to, and you write it down. Number 2, they like to. What are they doing? This was in the vocabulary. Are they playing soccer? Are they skating? Are they doing skateboard? Are they playing baseball? What are they doing? That is the thing that you are going to write on the blank. Number 3, she likes to. We have like to, but now we need to complete. What is she doing? Is she playing volleyball? Is she playing on the swings? You need to complete. And number 4, he or she like to or likes to. Okay, it's a boy, it's a girl. Are you going to complete with like to or likes to? And we have to play baseball. Exercise 25 says, look and write. And then you have a box. You say behind, between, in front of, and next to. Number 1, the boy is hiding blank the tree. And then you have some pictures that you need to pay attention to. Number 2, the girl is standing blank the slide. Number 3, the sandbox is blank the seesaw. Number 4, the girl is standing blank the swings. Remember, you have 4 sentences and you also have 4 options: behind, between, in front of, and next to. Okay, you need to complete with these 4 prepositions of place. Activity 26 says, read, write the numbers, and then you have their names in letters, and you need to complete writing them with numbers. You have number 1, 29, number 2, 53, 46, for 100, 5, 60, 6, 70. It's going to be easy for you if you pay attention to the numbers, if you practice your numbers. Okay, we have activities for the workbook. I have my workbook also in here. I hope you have yours by your side so we can practice. We have pages 12 and 13. It's going to be super easy. Page 12 and 13 are the easiest. The most heavy was the page from the student's book. So we have page 12 and we have the topic My Games, Unit 2, vocabulary, read and match, then say. You have pictures, you have 6 pictures and you have their names. Kick a soccer ball, number 1, number 2, play basketball, number 3, skate, number 4, skateboard, number 5, ride a bike, number 6, play it on the slide. Okay, so now you're going to match them with the pictures. It's going to be quite easy. You can check the vocabulary that you have on your notebooks, and also you have this vocabulary on the book, on the student's book. It's at the beginning of the unit, and yes, you have the vocabulary in here and you can help it. But if you want to prove yourself, you paid enough attention, if you're doing all your activities well, try not to check the notebook or the student's book. Use different colors so you don't get confused. If you don't have different colors, it's okay to use your pencil. Page 13 says, listen and sing, then match. And we have the same song that we listened in the student's book, and it says, come on and play. We have pictures A, B, C, D, E, and we're going to listen and match. So we're going to match this vocabulary with the pictures. What vocabulary is this? What are their names? You're going to find this vocabulary in the song. You are going to find it. You have the lyrics in here. Tienes la letra de la canción ahí. Vamos a buscar el vocabulario que tenemos en las imágenes y lo vamos a unir. So let's listen to the song so we can do this activity. Come on and play.
Workbook, page 13. Activity 2. Listen and sing. Then match. Come on and play song.
We're playing on the playground. There are lots of games to play. Soccer, baseball, and basketball. What do you want to play today? Paul likes to play on the swings. Vera likes to play on the slide. We all like to play hide and seek. Are you ready to run and hide? We're playing on the playground. It's always so much fun. Come on and play with us. We play with everyone.
That's it. So now activity 3 says draw then say. Now you're going to draw in this blank. You have a space in here, a box where you're going to draw your favorite games. You're going to draw yourself playing your favorite game. It can be hide and seek, it can be a seesaw, it can be a slide, or it can be something different like a sport, different. Try not to draw video games, try to draw games that physical effort, okay? Those kind of activities I like you to draw. And that's it for today. We have these 3 pages. We have page from the student's book, we have page 26, and from the workbook we have page 12 and 13. It's not that much as you think. Page 12, it's only to match And page 13, it's only to draw. It isn't going to take you a lot, but that's it. Try to send your activities. Don't forget that each picture, each activity needs to have your name and also the date. You're not doing it, you're not writing it. Please do it. I'll see you the next time. Goodbye.